here I'm going to start C language. So basically the definition of C language is a programming language. It is developed by Dennis in 1978 at the Bell's Lab. With the help of C language we create software, apps, etc. So basically for doing the C language there is a particular app called Turbo C++. For opening this, we need to go here and start Turbo C++, and for taking the new sheet, we need to go to Alt plus F and then enter. And in this way again Alt plus F, then enter, Alt plus S, then enter. So whenever we will find that a new sheet has come, we need to stop there only. So C language, I have already told you what exactly C language is. So next, so here I am going to start the C language. So very first program which we will make is of addition. So I have written here, suppose for basically we will start from a commit. So I have written here write a program. WAP is basically nothing but a write a program. Write a program to find the addition. The very first topic of every C language is addition. So this is basically a comment. In this way, only in this way we need to write the comment. So after writing comment, we need to go to enter, and then we will put here include conio.h and include stdio.h. These are basically the header files. Whatever now I have written, which I am right now selecting, these two things are header files. So now I am going to void main. It is a part of the format. Void main is a part of the format. For doing any program, we need to write the void main, and after writing the void main, we need to start the bracket, and there are various data types in the C language, which are int, float, character, long double. So here I am using int. So in particular data type, we will have the variable. So I am taking here variable. Suppose I have taken A, B, and C. Right now we are doing addition. We need to give some value. Suppose for A I am giving 45, for B I am giving 90. Any of the value you can give, because we need to do here addition. Any of the value you can take, and then we need to write here the formula. So for adding, you need to show that A plus B plus C is basically addition. We need to add these three things, these three variables. These A, B, C is basically variable, and the int is a data type. So A, B, C I have written, and I have already assigned the value. So everything I have done. Now the next thing is we need to print the method. Suppose I am writing here printf. So basically right now whatever we have given is basically input, which we need to give. Suppose these right now whatever I have selected is input, and now whatever I am writing, which is printf. Printf is basically output. Output is basically result of input. Whatever we have given right now, we will get the result. So here we are doing addition. So we'll write here addition of all numbers, and we need to write %d, and we need to end this. So we will write here add. Whatever we are giving here should be same as whatever we are giving here. because both the things should match, otherwise there will be error. So now everything has completed. So for terminating the program, we will write here get.ch. It is also one of the part of this C language. For doing any program, we need to write this get.ch, and everything is now complete. I'm going to run this program. For running the program, we need to go to Control plus F9. Error is coming because we have not defined the addition. Whatever variable we have taken, we need to define everything. So I took the add, and now I have taken this. So I'll run the program. For running the program, we need to press Control plus F9. So as you all can see, addition is coming, and addition of all number is 2 to 5. One thing which I forgot to tell you, that for here we should put clear screen. It is one of the part of the C program. We should put it. See, the working of the clear screen is basically CLR SCR is basically clear screen, and the working of clear screen is it removes the previous program. Suppose we have suppose इसके बाद हम अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन का बनाएंगे तो हमारा एडिशन का भी आ जाता है अगर हम क्लियर स्क्रीन नहीं लगाते तो. सो दिस इज बेसिकली द वर्क ऑफ क्लियर स्क्रीन. So we have made the program of addition. In this way you can make the program for subtraction. Suppose I have written here subtraction. So the effect of comment is basically nothing. Whatever, if you will write here, you will write here addition, then there will be no effect on the program because it is basically comment. It do not affect the program, but we should write correctly for avoiding the confusion. So everything will be same, but we cannot subtract three variables. So we'll take here two things basically. Suppose we have taken A and B, and right now we are doing subtraction. So I'm using the short form, that is sub, and I have removed C, as I have already removed C here from here also, as you all can see. So I'm giving some big value to A so that it will get subtracted completely from B. So I need to remove this because earlier we are doing addition, now we are doing subtraction. So subtraction, for basically subtraction, we need to subtract A from B. So we'll write in this way, and instead of addition, instead of addition now we are doing subtraction. So we'll write here subtraction of all number, and we will write here sub. I'm again repeating this thing. Whatever we have taken here should be same as whatever we are taken here. So I just want to say that both the things should be same. Suppose I'm writing here subtraction, and I'm writing here sub, so result will not come. Suppose I'm going to run this program, so there will be error because as you all can see, for running the program what we need to do is Control plus F9. So it is showing error. So as I earlier told you, there will be error. So I need to write here only sub, because from very beginning we have taken sub. So I'm going to run this program. For running the program, we need to put Control plus F9. Now as you all can see, the subtraction is coming, and it is basically 10. So in this way we can multiply and divide the things. So I'm writing multiply. So suppose I'm multiplying two things, I'm assigning some small value. Suppose I'm giving 4 and I'm giving 2. And for terminating any line, we need to put semicolon. Remember this thing, it is one of the most important part. Now we are doing is multiply. So we will put here multiply is equal to A multiply B. And instead of subtraction, now we will write here multiply. And instead of subtraction, we'll we will put multiply. So everything is sorted now. Now it's the time to run the program. Instead of subtraction, I should take here multiplication. Okay. Multiply. Okay. Now everything is now sorted. I'm going to run this program. For running the program, I need to press Ctrl plus F9. I think आपको याद भी हो गया होगा ये. For running the program, we need to press Ctrl plus F9. Now result has came. It is correct, and in this way you can do divide also. So here I am ending this video. If you like the video, like it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. So for exiting the program, we need to go to file or whatever you can say. There are two ways for exiting the program. One is we need to put here, we need to go to exit from here, and one is Control plus F9. Sorry, Alt plus X. It is a second way of exiting the program. Thank you very much.